Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use push campaigns in Brevo step by step. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which will walk you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, let's get started. First off, log into your Brevo account. Now, once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the left side menu and click on the Marketing tab. It will expand into a drop-down with several options. From the list, click on Campaigns. This will open the Campaigns page on the right side of your screen. Now look at the top right corner and you see that button, Create Campaign. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear showing different campaign types. For example, email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push. Under the Standard section, click on Push. On the next pop-up window, give your campaign a name in the provided field, and then click on the Create Campaign button to continue. Once you click, you'll be redirected to a setup window where Brevo asks you to configure your push notification settings. On this screen, click the Set Up a Push button on the right side. After that, Brevo will ask which platform you want to send notifications to. For this tutorial, select Website. Now, in the Website section, click inside the field and then click on the Add Website button. A new pop-up window will appear asking for your website URL. So enter the URL of your site and then click Add Website. Now, once your website URL is added, click on the Continue button. Now, on the next page, under the Installation Method tab, you will need to choose how you want to install push notifications on your site. For this tutorial, we'll choose the WordPress plugin method. So after you select it, click Continue. Brevo will now show you the plugin installation instructions. Click on the provided link to open a new browser tab where you can download the official WordPress plugin for Brevo. Download the plugin file to your computer and then open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click Plugins and then click Upload Plugin. Choose the file that you just downloaded, click Install Now, and then once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. After activation, go to the Brevo plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. Now, you may be asked here to enter your Brevo API key or site ID. Paste the required details into the given fields and click Save. Now go back to Brevo and click Continue. This will take you to the verification step. Click on Verify. If the plugin is correctly installed and connected, you will see a success message confirming that your website is now linked to Brevo for push notifications. Once verification is complete, click on Create Campaign. Now, it is finally time to build your push campaign. First, enter your campaign name in the name field, then write your title and message. Now, these are the texts that users will see when the notification appears in their browser. You can also upload an icon to make your notification more visually appealing and a little more professional. Under the target URL section, enter the web page link where you want users to be directed when they click on your notification. Next, choose who should receive your push campaign by selecting an audience or a segment. Brevo allows you to target specific groups based on their activity or subscription list. Once your targeting is set, move to the scheduling step. You can now choose Send Now or deliver your push notification immediately, or select Schedule for Later to choose a specific date and time. After reviewing all of the details, click on the Send button to launch your campaign. And if you've chosen to schedule it, Brevo will automatically send it at the set time. And that's it. Your push campaign is now active and will start delivering browser notifications to your website visitors. Push notifications are always a great way to re-engage your audience as well, to also promote offers or share important updates instantly. If you'd like to learn more about using Brevo for marketing automation, email campaigns, and advanced integrations, check out that link that we put in the description for access to our complete Brevo course and get 50% off the starter and business plans for the first 3 months. All right, that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.